In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an email campaign using Mailchimp. If you're new to Mailchimp or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Throughout this video, I'll walk you through each step of the process, offering tips to ensure your campaign is a success. First, we begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Take a moment to ensure you're on the dashboard where you can access all the features you'll need. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the Create Campaign button. This is your starting point for any new mailing initiative. You'll then be prompted to select the type of campaign you'd like to create. For today, we'll be focusing on email campaigns, so we'll go ahead and click on the email option. This will lead us to a screen where we can begin to set the foundation for our campaign. Naming your campaign is an important step since it helps keep your projects organized and identifiable. Make sure it's something that makes sense to you at a glance. Next, you'll need to choose your audience. Mailchimp allows you to select specific audience segments if you desire more targeted engagement or tailor your messaging to a broader audience. After we have our campaign named and audience selected, it's time to move on to designing our email. Here, you'll choose a layout or template. Mailchimp provides a variety of templates to choose from, ranging from simple, clean designs to more content-rich options. Choose one that aligns best with your brand and the message you're planning to deliver. With your template in hand, the next part is to craft your subject line and preview text. Your subject line is crucial for catching the eye of your recipients. Make it catchy, clear, and to the point. And remember, your preview text should complement the subject line by giving a teaser of what your email is about. It's all about creating that curiosity that drives people to open your message. Building your email content is where your creativity gets to shine. You can add text, images, links, and other media to convey your message effectively. Make sure the content aligns with the subject line and that it delivers value to the reader. Think about the design and flow to ensure it's both engaging and easy to read. Before hitting send, always test your email. Use the built-in testing features to see how your email will appear in different email clients. Mailchimp also allows you to send test emails to yourself or a colleague to ensure everything looks just right with a fresh pair of eyes. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to send your email or schedule its delivery. Mailchimp provides the flexibility to send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a future date and time that might be more optimal for your audience. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating and sending an email campaign with Mailchimp. I hope this tutorial